In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Weebly footer, and it's going to be a quick tutorial that anyone can follow. Whether you're creating a website for a small business, a blog, or just for fun, having the Weebly footer on your site might not fit with the professional look you're going for. So let's dive in and remove it together to make your site look just the way you want. The first thing you will need to do is head over to Weebly. You can log in with your credentials, and once you're inside, we're going to focus on customizing your site settings. It's really quite simple when you know where to look. After logging in, you'll see a menu on the left side of your screen. That's where all the magic happens. Go ahead and click on the Settings tab. This is where we'll start to make some changes. Once you're in the settings, look for the SEO section in the menu. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. And while the name might seem unrelated at first, this is where we're going to input our special code to remove that footer from your web pages. Click on SEO, and it will open up a new page where you can add or modify existing code. Now that you're on the SEO page, we're going to add a bit of custom script. This is the trickiest part, but don't worry, it's straightforward. All you have to do is type in or copy and paste this code. This small script is a piece of JavaScript that will execute once your page is fully loaded, and it will automatically remove the Weebly footer. It's like magic, but science. After you've added that bit of code, the next step is simple. Just hit the save button. You'll typically find this button either at the top right or the bottom of the settings page. It ensures that all the changes you've made are stored, preventing any losses if your session times out or you accidentally close the page. Finally, to make these changes live on your site, you have to click on Publish. This is crucial because until you publish, the changes exist only in preview mode and won't be visible to your site visitors. Once you publish, your site will load without the Weebly footer and have a more polished, customized appearance. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and a simple code, you've successfully removed the Weebly footer from your site. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. See you in the next video.